Hey there, thanks for clicking and welcome back from spring break. Today in HISD now, we're going to be talking about Future 2 applications. They're now open. We're also going to be looking at the district's proposed 1882 partnerships for high-performing schools. And our campus close-up is back at Black Middle School. Let's get started. It is Monday, March 16th. Well, as we start the new week, we want to remind our families about one of the biggest topics we talked about last week, which was Future 2 schools. Now, it's our new school model that's launching next year at C. Martinez and Gregg Elementary. Now, there's an important update for families today. Applications are now open. You can scan that QR code on your screen to get to it. You can also get to it on the Houston ISD homepage and learn more about the program under the Accelerate Houston tab. The application link was also sent directly to families through Parent Square. And I'll also drop the link in the video description right below. And Future 2 is getting a lot of attention across the city. KHOU Channel 11 recently visited C. Martinez Elementary, where anchor Alona Carson spoke with Principal Chandra Reed about what Future 2 will look like for students.
I spoke exclusively with the school's newly named principal, Chandra Reed. She told me that this school will look and feel different from a traditional day. Students will still get core instruction from 7:30 to 11:30 a.m. Then they'll have a typical lunch and recess. But Reed says the afternoon is where the big transformation begins. Students will rotate through 6-week hands-on experiences that focus on real-life skills, everything from teamwork to using AI to maybe building architectural models or learning dining etiquette. After that, kids will take part in something called workshops. That means that they're either playing on a sports team, learning how to swim, or learning how to play an instrument.
Wow. And if you want to watch KHOU's full story, I'll drop a link for you that is right below. Now, another application is also open. This one is for the virtual Launchpad. This is a district-wide virtual school option that's designed for students who are on grade level academically, but may need more flexibility in their schedule. The application window is open now through April 17th. Just keep in mind, applying does not guarantee acceptance. After eligibility is confirmed, families will be notified by April 29th. I'll also drop a link for this application right below. Well, this week, the HISD board will consider approving the transformation of 4 high-performing high schools. Now, if approved, the campuses will be allowed to partner with nonprofits to chart a more independent course and receive additional state funding. One of the schools is the Kinder High School for the Performing and Visual Arts, or HSPVA, a nationally recognized magnet campus in downtown Houston. The school is seeking to form an 1882 partnership. Now, 1882 refers to Senate Bill 1882, which gives Texas schools more flexibility and room to grow. And thanks to years of academic and artistic success, including a 99A rating last school year, HSPVA has reached level 5 autonomy. The campus is now getting ready to work more closely with its longtime support organization, HSPVA Friends. Principal Priscilla Rivas says the partnership builds on a foundation that already puts students and the arts first.
The relationship with HSPVA and HSPVA Friends moving forward is going to be one of continuing our same mission and our same goal, and that is investing in students and investing in robust arts programming. HSPVA Friends provides a budget for each one of our arts departments that they can plan and use based on what their needs are.
And as Principal Rivas emphasizes, HSPVA will keep its audition-based admissions process regardless of a student's background. If approved to form the 1882 partnership, the school will also remain part of HISD and tuition will stay free. Now, we'll be sharing stories from the high schools up for 1882 partnerships throughout the week right here on HISD Now on our YouTube channel. And today, you can watch the story that we did on HSPVA. All you have to do is tap that title banner right there to check out that story. Well, Campus Close-Up is back, our weekly segment highlighting schools across HISD, and this week we are at Black Middle School. Now, before the break, I caught up with Principal De Castro to talk about what makes his campus stand out, from high-quality classroom instruction to programs and clubs that are helping students grow both academically and personally. Now, one of those programs is the school's Kickstart Karate program, the largest in the state, I may add. Now, we talked about that and so much more. Our full combo is posted. All you have to do is tap that title banner right there to check out that story. And keep it here because I'll have more stories from Black Middle School all this week on HISD Now. And before we go, a quick reminder for our pre-K families. Our pre-K application window is open. You have until April 17th to apply. Now, if you need help or if you just want to learn more about our programs, we have a pre-K festival coming up on March 21st at Hartman Middle School. It'll run from 9 a.m. until noon. Go to schoolchoice.houstonisd.org for more information. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing this content, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.